Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to duplicate the selected file on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a file that we are looking to duplicate. I see a screenshot on the desktop, so we can now start the tutorial. Click on the screenshot itself. We can highlight, right click, copy, and then paste. But there's a more quicker way to duplicate the file. Click on the file, highlight, Command D just to duplicate. Let's do that again. Click on the screenshot that we have duplicated, highlight, Command D, and that's how you duplicate files very quickly using Command D to duplicate the file. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.